Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a very beautiful English story for you people. If you are an English beginner or if you are learning English, then this story will be helpful for you. So do not skip the story, try to watch the entire story and you will find a very good moral at the end. Okay? So if you are an English beginner also, these stories are very helpful for you where you can learn the words, the pronunciation. Okay, so let's get started. Once in a small village, there lived a rich man named Mr. Goldstein. He owned the largest house, fancy cars, and a big farm. He was proud of his wealth and often boasted about it to everyone. On the other side of the village, there lived a poor farmer named Ben. Ben worked hard every day in his small fields. He had a tiny house and very little money, but he was known for his kindness and helpful nature. One day, Mr. Goldstein decided to throw a grand party to show off his wealth. He invited all the villagers and promised them a night full of delicious food, music, and dancing. He wanted everyone to see how rich he was. As the day of the party approached, Mr. Goldstein noticed that his farm was not producing enough food. He needed more vegetables and fruits for the feast. He looked over at the Ben's small fields and thought, that poor farmer had plenty of fresh vegetables. I can just take what I need. That evening, Mr. Goldstein went to Ben's field and took a large basket of vegetables without asking. Ben was working late and he did not notice the theft until he came home. When he saw his empty garden, he felt sad but decided not to worry. He knew he could grow more. The night of the party arrived, and Mr. Goldstein was excited. The banquet was filled with luxurious dishes, and everyone was enjoying themselves. But as the night went on, something strange happened. The guests began to feel uneasy, and the food didn't taste as good as they had expected, and the music felt off. Meanwhile, Ben was at home, preparing a simple meal for himself. He decided to share his dinner with some hungry children who lived nearby. As they ate together, they laughed and enjoyed each other's company. The warmth of friendship filled the small room, and Ben felt truly happy. The next morning, the villagers talked about Mr. Goldstein's party. It was grand, but something was missing. They said. It didn't feel like a true celebration. Later, Ben heard about the party and smiled. He realized that while Mr. Goldstein had a wealth, he lacked the joy that came from kindness and sharing. A few days later, Mr. Goldstein's guests returned to their daily lives, and the rich man felt empty inside. He had all the money in the world, but he had no real friends or happiness. He decided to visit Ben to apologize for taking the vegetables. When Mr. Goldstein arrived at Ben's home, He found the farmer with the children, sharing stories and laughter. I am sorry for taking your vegetables, he said, feeling ashamed. Ben looked at him and smiled kindly. It's okay, we all make mistakes, but true wealth comes from the love we share with others. From that day on, Mr. Goldstein changed. He began to help the villagers, sharing his resources and inviting everyone to his home. Not just to show off, but to truly connect and celebrate life together. The rich man learned that happiness isn't found in material wealth, but in friendship, kindness, and community. And at the end, the moral of the story is true wealth is not measured by money, but by the love and the kindness we share with others. I hope you like this story and I hope you have learned so many new words in this. I have made few more stories. Please check my channel and try to share my videos and please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.